Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Crees. My face has been really congested lately, so I've been like trying to unclog my pores and stuff. I really need to do a face mask, but today was just like a simple look. Steps, same routines, different products maybe. A lot of my products were broke in some of my videos and stuff, so I do have to update my makeup kit and everything for myself. If you would like to see how I created this look, stay tuned.
Okay, so jumping into it, I'm going to start with my brows. I'm using the NYX Espresso Brow Gel to fill in my brows. I just take my time when I do this. Like, don't go heavy when you first start. Lightly start shading them in. And it's just going to be like a build-up process. To clean up my brows, I'm going to be using the L.A Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I like to just go ahead and scope out my brows after filling them in. Just kind of cleaning them up a little bit and getting the exact shape that I want. Really just want to take your time. Like, I sometimes don't always take my time. I be rushing, so it's like it'll take me longer when I'm rushing because then I have to go back and touch up. So I like to take the remaining product and drag it down to my eyelid to use it as a base for my eyeshadow. And we're going to just repeat this process on the top of the brow as well. So next I go in just to fill them in a little bit more to get the desired complete shape that I want. And after that, we're going to go ahead and blend them out. I do use 3 different brushes just so I can get closer to my eyebrow so it doesn't look like too light around my eyebrow. I try to blend out the product as much as possible. To prime my skin, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. And then I'm going to jump into my eyeshadow using this Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. And I'm also going to be using the Juviasplace Bronze Deep Dark palette just to play with those 2 shades back and forth. Next, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Press Powder in Dark 20 as my first base for my foundation. And then I follow up with this Born This Way matte foundation in Mahogany. And I just take my time putting it in sections on my face and blending it out. Next, I'm going to be using the Quickie Concealer in the shade 60NN. And then I follow up with the L.A Pro Concealer in Fawn underneath. And you're just going to apply this all over in your highlighted areas. For contour, I use the Black Opal Foundation Stick in Quran. For setting powder, this is the Sachs Buttercup setting powder that I use, and I just apply this everywhere that I highlighted. These lashes I linked in my Amazon storefront, and I did apply these lashes off the camera. Now I'm blending out all the setting powder that we have left over. For contour, I'm using the Black Radiance Deep Dark Contour Palette. And I like to set my face with the NYX matte spray, and I fan this until it's completely dry. For mascara, this is the It's Cosmetics Superhero Black Mascara. And I like to apply these under my lashes and on the top. For lips, I'm using a brown pencil that I got from the beauty supply store. I can't remember the name. And finally, I applied the NYX Butter Gloss and Fortune Cookie.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post more video. Again, for rocking with me, and I'll see y'all in the next one.